Hi, I'm Mahindra. I'm coming from Bangalore. So I was introduced to Speed Freaks by a colleague, a friend, a focal dealer. After doing a lot of research, I'm here to get my car done with Karthik. So what I've done is, so I've gone for the soundproofing of the car. So we have put this Dr. Artex materials all over the ground surface, the doors, the boot area. So this was done. Apart from this, Karthik helped me in installing the Alpine DSP with focal amplifiers. So I've gone with focal speakers as well, along with a focal subwoofer which Karthik has installed for me here. So I've done a lot of research even before I came from Bangalore here. I was very much interested looking at the work. So all I knew about Karthik was just about his Instagram accounts and this thing. I did my own research. I read through a lot of blogs. I was very much impressed by his work. I was curious to get the car done by him. So that's about it. So when I came to Speed Freaks to meet Karthik, he gave me an insight of what I exactly wanted. He asked me a couple of questions. So he inquired about what I wanted. He suggested what changes could be made. This is what I liked about him. He did not push me to buy any other product or anything as such. So he suggested what was suitable for me and my car. You should seriously, if you are a great audiophile, you need to consider Speed Freaks. Karthik is wonderful doing the sound engineering. So he tuned up the car really well. He suggested where the speakers need to be placed. He tuned my car up so well. So he's given different presets for me. I really enjoyed the experience. I am definitely going with 5, no doubt about it. A fantastic experience. Definitely yes. My first choice for an audiophile would be Speed Freaks. I am convinced after looking at the work, the amount of hours he has put into the car, the amount of dedication that he has done, I would really encourage my family and friends to go for it. So looking at all the work that you guys have done, I would definitely say that you are trained in this field. So I wouldn't question about any of your perspective in this fact. But it is a fantastic job that you guys have done, and thank you so much, Speed Freaks.